Hi everyone, I'm Lessie. I'm a youth assistant here at the Chandler Public Library, and today we're going to be talking about drones. Now, I bet you didn't know this, but the Chandler Public Library has a set of drones here, and you're probably wondering, why does the library have drones? Well, there's a few different reasons why the library might have drones. One of the most important reasons why we have drones is because we do STEM/STEAM programming here at the library. And we bring out drones in order to help teach kids about engineering and technology. We also have drones for other reasons. Drones also have the capability to be able to do photo and video. So we also like to teach kids about the art of film editing and photo editing using drones. Now, the drones that we have today are purely recreational, but did you know that you could also be a drone pilot one day and you can do it as a job? So, one of the things about drones is that you can fly them as small as my hand or as large as a plane. They get that big. And the other thing about drones is that they're also known as unmanned flying aircraft, as in you don't actually have to have a pilot in it in order to fly it. But they also have ones that are programmable, and you don't have to have anyone there to actually do it. They automatically have GPS figured out for them, where they can land, where they go, and they have all the coordinates in there. But today, I'm going to be controlling this drone here as well. So you're wondering probably like, how does a drone work? Well, here's the thing about drones, is that drones can go directly up for a couple reasons. One of the things is that drones end up having, this one for example is a quadcopter. Quadcopters have rotating blades that rotate, 2 of them counterclockwise and 2 of them clockwise. The reason for that is because in order to go directly up, you have to have the blades turning at two different angles. If you had them going all at the same angle, what would happen is that the drone would just spin and spin and spin and never go directly up. The other way that how it works is that the propellers, like a ceiling fan, are tilted downwards. They have to have it tilted downwards in order to have the air going directly underneath them. So for example, as it just landed in my hand here, the propellers have to be tilted downwards in order to have air going down. If the propellers were all going the same direction, then it wouldn't be able to push air down. Take your arm and you end up going across like this. The air is not going up or down, but once you tilt it down, like a ceiling fan, it pushes the air downward. Another thing about drones is that they have sensors underneath them. The sensors have the capability of being able to tell what's underneath them. For example, my hand. Earlier we had a hand landing, but let's just say, instead of a hand landing, let's just do a hand taking off. Once again, because of the propellers moving in counterclockwise, one in the front, one counterclockwise, one clockwise in each set, that's how it's able to put the air underneath, to be able to push up underneath it. But, for now, let's just have some fun with it. Go in the direction we're heading. Turn back this way. that's how you play with drones. Thank you for watching.